Here is our May budget report card for my business, Freedom in a Budget and Kelly Ann Smith. I'm actually doing this a totally different way that you'll see down at the bottom, modeling the Profit First method. I just finished the book Profit First and absolutely loved the models of it. I did have to tweak it a little bit to fit our needs, but you'll see how that's all going to work. So total for this month, I brought in $5,046.72. Breaking it down, affiliate marketing is the number one income source, is $2,744.55. And if you want a full breakdown of what each of the affiliate marketing was, what the companies were, how much each company was, I'll have that all listed down below in my blog for the month. Each month I do a blog post on this, so you can definitely see that there. Next is Etsy, $192.28. And Freedom in a Budget shop, $59.75. Those are the same exact products in each of those shops, but I just had them on two different platforms, on my website and then on Etsy, to bring in the Etsy traffic as well. YouTube blog, this is the ads that run on my blog, is $1,741.83. Courses, $172.93. Patreon, $45.38, and coaching, $90, for the total of $5,046.72. Now for the expenses, I think it's so important to see both the income and expenses for small businesses and online-based businesses, because so often people just talk about the income and they don't talk about what it costs to run the business in the back end. So that's so important. So breaking it down, and this is something that I can just export and give to my accountant, which makes it super easy. I just export each of these different categories and it's awesome. So education development is $97. This is the monthly membership that I pay for Nicole Walters. Expenses clothing is $19.54. This is, I think that was a shirt that I needed for filming. Office supplies and postage. So I needed to buy a keyboard and a tripod for $38.32. Advertising marketing, no fees this month. Subscriptions and dues, DigitalOcean, this is all like back-end stuff on my blog, TubeBuddy, MailChimp, Teachable for the year, YouTube Premium, Adobe Creative Cloud, Cloudflare, all of those is $1,064.56. This is pretty high this month because of the Teachable yearly, so that one-time expense per year. Insurance and fees, nothing this month. All right, so this is how it is a profit first method. So total of all the expenses is $1,219.42. Total revenue is $5,046.72. Taking a 5% profit, and we're going to put that into a profit account. That is $252.34. That profit account will stay as like almost like a savings account type of thing for the business in case anything comes up, almost like an emergency fund for the business. And then every quarter, I'm going to take half of it, and that will be a profit bonus for me as the owner. So owner's quarterly bonus will get taken out of that every quarter. Next is owner's pay. 65% is owner's pay. So $3,280.37. So if you are one of my Patreons and you saw my personal budget this month, then you will see that I took a owner's pay cut of $3,280.37, which is 65% flat rate. Then operating expenses is 30%. So I spent 30% would equal of the total revenue, $1,514.02, but we know that we in total spent only $1,200, so the remaining operating spend is $294.60. So this profit right here is the profit 252 that goes over here, and then the operating expenses minus 30%, the 294.60 automatically goes here. So in total for savings this month is $546. Now, this much here, this is going to be going back into what I have to spend in my business. I personally am actually bad at spending money in labor, in hiring out, in upgrading services. I do it very frugally, and I'm trying to get better at that because I'm not going to be able to scale if I continue doing everything myself. So I need to invest into systems, invest into hiring help, investing into virtual assistants, different things like that. So I'm trying to get better at that. So I'm creating this operating expenses to keep myself accountable and using that money to to hire out some of those projects or, to make my systems better. Since this is the first month that I'm doing it, the previous months are $0, and then the total is $546.93. So this is my business income report. I hope this was helpful. I do this every single month. And like I said, I do have a blog post that goes deeper into my revenue that I'll have linked for you down below in the description. So thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, let me know. If you're interested in the Profit First book, I will have it linked down below in the description box for you as well.